Hello everybody, welcome to another Aaron Cooks video. As you can see, we have once again changed our venue. Illustrious cameraman Jimmy and I have been relocated to another barracks, much nicer than the other one, so that's good at least. So what we're going to do today is a simple pork chop recipe. So I've got one pan with milk, and then I've got a topping that I'm going to mix up here in a second, which is made up of shredded Parmesan, breadcrumbs, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. I have already washed my hands, Jimmy can verify. So I'll mix all that up. As an Iowa boy, I love my pork chops, so this is a great way to try a new recipe. It's very simple, it doesn't take very long, and it's tasty. It's also my friend Rebecca's recipe, so shout out to you, Becca. So dip both sides in the milk, and then dip for good coverage in breading. I've already sprayed down my pan with cooking oil. And I've preheated the oven to 375. So we got some good coverage here, and we'll put more on here in a second, just because we got plenty extra. This could probably easily make the full 4 package, but since we're only getting limited grocery runs, we're gonna stretch this one out. Make this recipe again later on. Alright, and in the oven we go. 375 for about 10 minutes. Alright, so it's been about 10 minutes on the first side. Pull them out real quick. Looking tasty already. And then we're going to flip them over. And since we still have a little extra breading, we'll throw some of that on there. Because flavor. And as I said, I've got plenty of it. So. Alright, and we'll put it back in on that side for another 10 minutes. Alright, so now it's cooked for about 10 minutes on both sides. Yes, that's going to be quite tasty. So, all we gotta do now is plate it up and eat.